Good morning. Today is Tuesday, January 17th. The markets were closed yesterday in observance of Martin Luther King Day. I hope you had a nice long weekend. Stocks rallied last week thanks to fresh confirmation of inflation's cooling trend and growing optimism that an inflation slowdown may provide the Fed with space to ease up on future rate hikes. The Dow Jones Industrials Average gained 2% last week, while the Standard & Poor's 500 advanced 2.67%. The Nasdaq Composite Index surged 4.82% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, jumped 3.32%. I'm going to roll today's intro, and then we'll take a closer look at what happened last week.
Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update.
Investor sentiment came into the new year weighed down by recession fears and concerns that Fed rate hikes may go higher for longer. Last week, a different narrative emerged. Sustained declines in inflation, a rate hike cycle nearing an end, and a resilient economy that may avoid recession resulted in a broad-based rally. Moderating inflation was evident in the Consumer Price Index report released on Thursday, which, in combination with a strong labor report the previous Friday, gave investors confidence that the environment for stocks had improved. Stocks extended their gains to end the week as a few money center banks kicked off a new earnings season with upbeat reports. December's CPI report showed a 0.1% decline in prices from November and a 6.5% increase from a year ago. It was the sixth consecutive month of decelerating year-over-year increases. Core prices, which excludes food and energy, slowed to 5.7%, a decline from the previous month's 6% year-over-year rise. For the last 3 months, core prices have risen at an annualized rate of 3.1%, the slowest pace in over a year. Falling gasoline prices, down 9.4%, accounted for most of the monthly decline in the CPI. Used car prices, down 2.5%, were another bright spot. This week, Thursday, is our first monthly capital markets update and outlook presentation of the year. This is your opportunity to look over our shoulder and review the economic and market positives, the headwinds, and give you our outlook for the year. This month, you have the opportunity to join us for lunch in person at our office here in Eden Prairie, or for many of you who are out of state or you just don't like driving in our lovely Minnesota weather, you can join us online as well, as we will be streaming the event and the presentation live. Either way, please head on over to our website to RSVP. And then, as always, we will keep our finger on the pulse of what's happening, and we'll automatically make changes in your managed accounts as we feel are in your best interest. If we are not investing your life savings for you, I invite you to learn more about our personalized approach at smartmixportfolios.com. All right, that is it for this week's summary. Thank you for staying until the end. Of course, I've got another riddle for you. Remember, if you're the first person to post the correct answer down below this video, whether you're watching on Facebook, on LinkedIn, or on YouTube, we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. All right, so today's riddle is: you need to take a gallon of oil out of a barrel of oil. How can you do it using only a 3-gallon container and a 5-gallon container? Again, be the first person to post the correct answer down below this video on either Facebook or on LinkedIn, and we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. If you would like the answer to previous week's riddles, you can head on over to our website /riddles for those answers. And then lastly, later on today, I'll be sending out our full economic update So if you'd like to get all the details, all the things that we're looking at on a weekly basis, please head on over to our website and you can subscribe to that email list. Again, www.investwithccg.com.
Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.